Hello everyone. I hope everybody is healthy and safe, and you are keen and looking forward to learn some new aspects of data science in this conference. I'm Nataraju Vusrikala, and I head the Bosch Center for AI in India. What we do at BCAI is we use data and AI related methods in two ways. One, to improve the process efficiency in the process of making the products, and other to create some new features using AI on top of existing Bosch product portfolio, so that the customers are excited by these new features. It could be for any products ranging from washing machines to autonomous cars. A little bit about myself. I'm a mechanical engineer, and in my thesis, I developed new methods for solving partial differential equations. And later, I joined as a researcher in General Motors in the area of automobile safety. I worked on different projects there, and later I moved to Bosch to work on innovation topics relating to data science. One of the first models I built by applying AI is to develop a model that predicts injury severity of a occupant involved in an automobile crash. Um, my contribution to the Data Science Congress is a word of advice for the young data enthusiasts. Some of the main building blocks for data science based solutions are the formulation of the business problem, exploring the data, and choosing an experiment with the right features and right algorithms, and also the validation part, and finally the deployment part. All of these steps are important, but maybe I want to share key learnings from my experience. In the problem formulation, it's very important to ensure that you're using the right set of data, and making sure that the information that is required to address the problem of what you have, the business problem, that information is somehow hidden in this data. It's very important to validate this with the domain experts, because even before you write a single piece of a line of code, this validation that the information required is fitting in the data is very important. The second step is obviously the model development, where you have multiple steps. Again, here it's very important to select algorithms which are simple enough to start with, so that you can first figure out if the models what you're developing are making sense. And again, a word of caution on the algorithms is that it's very important to understand the math behind it, also understand the assumptions and the hypothesis where these algorithms work. And then moving forward on to the validation step. So it's very easy these days to develop the models and also choose the algorithm sometimes, because you have things like AutoML, you have hyperparameter search, hyperparameter tuning libraries. So a lot of the model development is more or less automated. So in this scenario, the validation becomes very important. You as data scientists, it's very important to look at why a model is working and not necessarily why a model is not working. So let's say if you get a very good accuracy and you get very good validation results, then it's very important to first check, does it make sense, if these results are really making sense to a domain expert as well or not. And then finally, in order to leverage the value out of data and also value out of whatever solution you're developing from the data, it's very important to develop a very high quality software. So in the deployment scenario, especially now, there is a lot of focus on software engineering aspects. how do you write your unit tests, how do you write your logging, so that if the model is deployed and there is a drift in the model, you need to have a certain mechanisms to figure out why this is happening in a very, very quick automated way. So the third piece of advice I would give is, make sure that you develop the software, even if it's a proof of concept, that you have enough checks and balances in place with respect to the software quality. Um, it's very clear that algorithm, whatever we write on top of the data, is only very, very small piece of it, and then the it's very important to, that's why develop a very, very good software quality. If you pay enough attention to all these different aspects, I'm very, very sure that you will be very successful in your data science journey. Part of the reason why I love data science is that there is so much to learn. Every year there are new papers that are getting published, and new data that is getting open sourced by different companies. So there is a lot to learn, lot to experiment on top of this data. And the other great part is that the immense amount of potential and the immense amount of value that can be created using data in wide range of fields, be it healthcare, be it automobiles, be it agriculture, everywhere. If you want to make a large scale impact on the value and the quality of our living, I am very sure that data science will play a very, very key role. So I hope you're equally excited like me, and all the best for your journey, for all the young data enthusiasts, and stay curious and keep learning. So with that, I'm signing off. Have fun at the Data Science Congress.